Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are fine. Today we will solve another problem number 27, which is remove elements. It's of easy level, and it's really easy. So what we are given a list of integer numbers. It's not in any order. There's no order in here. Could increase or decrease, doesn't matter, random numbers. And we are also given a value. It's required from us to remove the value from this array. Like here, it's value 2. We need to remove it from here, remove it from here, and remove it from here. And replace it with the other numbers like 3, 0, and 4. So the first k numbers should be the numbers that are not equal to the value. In this example is 2. So the answer should be something like this: 0, 1, 4, 0, 3. The last number doesn't matter, whatever we can put whatever we want here, or we don't change it, or whatever, doesn't matter. Most importantly, the first numbers should be the numbers that are not equal to the value. This we update in a place, okay, in the list itself, but also we need to retain the value of k, which is how many numbers that are not equal to the val. In this example 2, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start with two indexes: current index C and index I. Index I will iterate through all numbers in our list. So this will be big O of n operation, which is very efficient, very good, because we will iterate through it one time. Also, I'm going to use C index, so it will be current index, the current index that we want to update the list to have a value that is not equal to the value 2. So let's start from the beginning. I and C is 0, and we will do a check. Is this element at index C, does it equal to 2? No, it does not, so we leave it as it is. And we update I and we update C. If it's not equal, we increase I by 1 and increase C by 1. Also 1 is not equal to this, so we increase I by 1 and we increase C by 1. Now here we have 2 is equal to 2. And this should be replaced. We cannot have 2, so it should be replaced by another number. So at this point, when they are equal, we keep current index as it is. We don't increase it, we don't shift it, but we shift I. And here we will check, is this equal to 2 or not? If it's equal, then we only shift I, we don't do anything. And we come here, is 3 equal to 2 or not? It's not equal. So what we will do, we will update the current position with this number. So we will change it to 3. We will say C nums at C equal nums at I. So we will update this value from this value. And after we update, we increase both the C index and the I index. And also 0 is not equal to 2. So we update here also the value, we put it 0, and we update the C index and we update the I index. 4 the same is not equal to 2, so increase the C index and we increase the I index. Here is equal and we do nothing, and that's it. We finished from the loop. We notice that when we finish, the value of C here 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 5. And actually we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements that are not equal to value, so we can simply retain C as the value of the k. Okay, it's pretty easy problem to solve. Let's go now to the Jupyter Lab and implement our code. So here we put C equal I and equal 0, and while I is less than length of nums, so we don't go outside the bound of the list, if nums for I does not equal the val, we simply update the current position with the correct value of I. and we increase the current index by 1, and in all cases we increase the index of I by 1, and that's it, we returns current. So let me test it here. There's something wrong. Nums. Here should be nums, not num. Okay, let me copy the code and go to the Leetcode website and test it there. So I pasted the code here and I click submit, and 100% we beat the time complexity of other codes. So it's very efficient code to solve this problem. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.